In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how we made $4,931 in just 7 days with Amazon affiliate marketing using Pinterest free traffic. This method is perfect for beginners and I'll break it down step by step so you can start earning commissions with one of the best free traffic sources out there. First, I'll show you how we can find high converting Amazon product that people are already searching for. Next, I'll teach you guys how we can create simple pins that drive thousands of clicks to your affiliate links. And I will also share the exact tools and tricks I use to automate this process and maximize conversions. And finally, I'll show you how we can scale this strategy to generate consistent passive income with Amazon affiliate marketing. So if you are ready to turn Pinterest into free traffic machine and start making money online with Amazon, this video is for you, and make sure to watch this video until the end. If you skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can start making commissions. I have been doing this business for over 5 years and I'm making over $15,000 every single month with Amazon affiliate marketing. In this video, guys, I'll share with you my method with Pinterest, so make sure to watch it so you can understand and get everything you need to succeed in this business. Okay, let's get started. So for people who are interested and you want to start making money with Amazon affiliate marketing, step number one, guys, you guys need to create an Amazon affiliate account like this one. Okay, this is my Amazon affiliate account dashboard. So what you will do, it's super easy. Just go to Google and search for Amazon associate. Click on the first link over here and it's super easy. Click on sign up again and click on create your Amazon account, and here you go. As you can see, guys, the sign up process to Amazon affiliate program is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to put your first and last name here, your email address, your password, and your password again, and click on create your Amazon account. And you just need to follow a few steps. It's super easy and it's for free. And after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Amazon affiliate marketing. This is, you will see here your summary, commissions here, bounties over here. Okay, so you have promotion tools, reports, and so on. This will be your Amazon affiliate account dashboard. So what you need to do next is you need to start and choose a good product that people are already searching for. You cannot promote any product that you think it's gonna work. That it doesn't work like this. This business doesn't work like this. You guys need to do research and to see which products people are already searching for. Okay, so what we will do, you need next, of course, you need a Pinterest business account. So it's better to have a Pinterest business account like this one. If you guys don't have Pinterest business account, you just need to go to Google and search for Pinterest like this. It's super easy. Let me show you. Search for Pinterest, click on the first link here, just sign up using your email address. They will ask you if you want to create business account or personal account. It's better to choose business account. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest business account like this one. Super easy and simple. What you will do next, you need to go back to Google and you need to search for Pinterest trend. Okay, search for this website. Click on the first link over here and you will be again to this page. So we will use this account, Pinterest trend, to see what's trending on Pinterest, which product people are searching for, and what's trending in this month on Pinterest. Okay, then we can start choosing products related to what's trending and promote those products from with Amazon affiliates, with Amazon as affiliate marketers, so we can earn commissions. Okay, so it's clear. Go back and search for, like I said, for Pinterest trend. Scroll down. This will be your home page. It's for free. You guys also can click here and choose which country you want to see what's trending inside this country. You can choose the country from here. Okay, they have United States, Canada, Italy, Spain, Germany, and so on. I'm gonna just keep using United States. I will scroll down and you can see here we have top trends in United States this month. Okay, this is what's trending in United States on Pinterest this month. Okay, we have this one, Valentine's Day nails. We have this one, it's good. We have this one, nails, and we have recipe ideas, Valentine's nails, I can see that this one is trending. Okay, this product is good. We have Valentine's Day, we have outfit ideas. Okay, if we go over, let's go back, we have Valentine's Day. I think this one is good. We can also, you guys also can scroll more down here, and you can here see discover trends in United States, and you have keywords here that are trending. Valentine's Day nails, you guys can see this one, and you can see the graph of those keywords that people start searching for. A lot of people started searching for those products, okay, on Pinterest. Topics, products about Valentine's nails, okay. If you scroll more, we can see just those, the top three keywords that are ranking, they are about Valentine's Day, okay, which is really good. So if we scroll more, Valentine's gift for boyfriend, and we have more. Okay, I can see that this one is trending. Let's check, for example, this one. I will click on this one here, guys. Valentine's nails day. Okay, this one I will scroll down, and I will go over here to date, and I will choose past 3 months. Okay, and here you go. You guys can see that this one is trending. It's still going up. Okay, do you see this? The graph is just keep going up, which is really good. Okay, we can also, let me go back. If we go back, we can choose another keyword to show you guys. Let me see here, Valentine's nail. Let's check, for example, this one here, Valentine's nail. You guys can see that they are keep going up, and this is a tool from Pinterest that is predicting the future. Okay, and this one is predicting that this keyword will start go down again. Okay, anyway, it's now trending, which is really good, and we are using just free traffic, so why not, we will give it a try. Okay, this one is good. So you have the idea, you have, and you know how you can find product that people are already searching for. Okay, use Pinterest trend. Okay, so this one, for example, is good. I'm gonna click here and choose past 3 months. Okay, I can see that this one is still going up, which is good. So what I will do, I will copy this keyword Valentine's nail. Okay, and I will go back to Amazon. Go and open your Amazon account, amazon.com, like this. Click on the search and search for this keyword. Okay, Valentine nails. Okay, this one. Search for this product. I want you to pay close attention in this step. You will find a lot of sellers here who sell this product. What you need to do next is you need to choose a good product. How you can choose good product? Always choose product that got at least over 1,000 sales in the past month. Okay, let me show you. For example, like this one, it's not a lot, but this one, you can also try this one. Like this one has 700 people paid for this one in the past month. Like this one can be a good one, but it's better to use product that got at least over 1,000 sales in the past month. Like this one, for example, you guys can see this one over 2,000. Let me show you. You see here over 2,000 people paid for this product in the past month. This one is good. Like this one is a good product for you that you can promote. If you scroll more, you can find more. Okay, nails, we have, let me see here. Okay, we have also this one, and you have a lot of product that you guys can use. Okay, so anyway, I will go back. I will choose, let me see, Valentine's Day nails. Okay, for example, like this one, guys, I think this one is really good. Like this one is good. You guys can see this one here, Valentine's Day nails. It's related to Valentine's Day, and over 900, it's close to 1,000 people paid for this one in the past month. Like this one is good. Okay, so for example, let's choose this one. I will click on this one here, like this. Just click on the product that you want to use, and here you go. You will be directly in this product page on Amazon. So what you need to do next is you need to promote this product on Pinterest. Okay, so what we will do, we will go back to Pinterest. Okay, go and open your Pinterest business account like this. Click here on home feed and click on create pin. Okay, we will create a pin that we will use to promote this Amazon product as an affiliate marketers with Amazon. Okay, you will be directly in this page. What you need to do next, you need to design a good eye-catching pin picture that will get clicks and make you commissions. So what you will do, you will use Canva. Go to Google and search for Canva. It's for free and it's super easy. Sign up using your email address. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click here on the search for Pinterest pin. Okay, search for Pinterest pin like this. Guys, it's really super easy, and you will design your own Pinterest pin picture. And here you go, search for Pinterest pin. If you scroll down, you will find a lot of pictures here about Pinterest pins. Okay, that you guys, a lot of templates that you can start with, that you can start using. So for example, I'm gonna use like this one here. Let's check this one. I will click on this one here, guys. Just click on any picture pin on Canva that you want to use and click here on customize this template. Okay, and you will be directly in this page over here. Okay, what you will do next, you will go back to, let me show you, go back to this Amazon product page and click on this picture. You have this picture here, click on this picture and double click again on the picture and click on save image. Okay, so we will save this picture to our laptop. Click on save like this, and here you go. You can also use different pictures. You have a lot of pictures here. I'm gonna use this one. I think this one is good. So what I will do, I will go back to Canva to this picture pin and I will click on this picture here. I will click on delete image, and I will put a picture here. I will click here on upload, click on upload file. Okay, and what I will do next, I will go to downloads here and I will upload this picture about Valentine's nails. Okay, I will click on the picture and your picture will be over here. I will put my picture here like this, and what I will do next, I need to put here a good title that I can use for this picture. So what I will do, I will go back to this Amazon product page. I will copy this title, copy this Amazon product title. So now we will use AI tool. Okay, so here is the power of AI. You guys need to start using AI. It's very important. Go to ChatGPT, go to Google, search for ChatGPT and sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click here and ask him to turn this Amazon product title into Pinterest pin title. Okay, and use a good SEO, and they will put this Amazon product title here and they will click over here and they will get a good and professional title that I can use. And here you go, you guys can see I will copy this title. So just copy your title like this and go back to Canva, and I will delete this one here and I will put this title over here. Okay, I will decrease the font size of this title like this, and I will make the title looks like this. Okay, and here you go. Okay, read more. I'm gonna delete this part here and delete this one here and this one. I'm gonna leave just the title like this. And here you go. You see, you guys just need to give it time, and you can design a good eye-catching pins just by using Canva. Just give it time. You have the method. Use Canva to design your pins, and you can make them really a good pins that will get clicks, and those clicks will be commissions for you. It's all about those pins, and it's all about marketing. It's all about how do you market those products on Amazon, or sorry, on Pinterest. Okay, after you finish, click on share, click on download here and click again on download, and this picture pin will be downloading to your laptop. You will go back to your Pinterest account and click over here and upload this picture that you design on Canva. Okay, this one you guys can see. Click on open, and here you go. You see your picture will be like this. Go back to this to ChatGPT, copy this title again, and you can also use this title here. Okay, description, you need go back to ChatGPT and ask him make pin description from this title. Okay, and I will click here and you will get also a good description that you can use, guys. Okay, you see, and here you go with hashtags professional. You see this AI, like I said, you guys should use AI. Always get back to AI. Okay, will help you a lot to do SEO for your pins, to rank your Pinterest account, to grow your Pinterest account fast. You want this, use AI. Scroll down, you need to put here your affiliate link. Of course, you will not put your affiliate link directly here, because if you do this, your account can get suspended or banned. It's better to use a landing page or a blog or an affiliate website. Okay, and to get your affiliate link, just go back to this Amazon products page and click here on get link, and this is your Amazon affiliate link that you will use to promote this product and earn commissions. Copy this link, and of course you need to put this link inside your website or a blog or a landing page. So I will put my affiliate link here. So for you, like I said, it's better to use landing page, a blog, or an affiliate website. Scroll down, click on choose a board, and if you have a new account, you guys can click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name, and that's it. And you can create as many as you want. And here you need to put keywords. So how you can find those keywords, you will go back to this Pinterest trend account and copy this keyword, Valentine's nails. If you scroll down, you have related trends. You have more keywords. Copy all those keywords from here and go back to your Pinterest account and put those keywords here. After you finish, click on publish. And here you go. You just published your first Pinterest pin picture with your Amazon affiliate link on Pinterest. You guys can see it's super simple. It's not easy. You guys need to grow your Pinterest account. You need to stay consistent. Upload at least between 3 and 5 pins per day. Okay, using a landing page or a blog or affiliate website will help your account to grow fast, and that's it. So that's how you can promote, guys, your Amazon affiliate links or your Amazon affiliate product on Pinterest. Thank you so much for watching. Also, guys, if you want to take this business seriously, I want to invite you to join my exclusive course. I have created a step-by-step guide that shows you how I'm making over $15,000 every single month with affiliate marketing using different social media platforms to get free traffic, using YouTube Shorts, using Instagram, using TikTok, and more. If you are interested, feel free to reach out to me. You will get access to all my profitable product that I'm promoting. You will get also access to my team and I to follow up with you and answer all your questions and more. I will put my email address in my description. For people who are interested, feel free to reach out to me. And thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, comment affiliate marketing, and I will start sharing with you guys a lot of new methods. And as you can see, guys, already people promoting those products on Pinterest, and they are getting a lot. They are making a lot of money. Okay, and this is the method I shared with you, everything here. So see you in my next video.